So we're looking at about a 25-year-old PVC roof that's largely in good condition, but we're starting to see a little bit of wear with scrim starting to be exposed. Due to the age of the roof, in some areas the top polymer is starting to wear thin. If not corrected at this time, the roof will go to failure shortly. Here we can see it's come to the point where the polymer on the top of the sheet is gone and the reinforcing scrim is exposed. At this point, since this is merely the flashing sheet, this area can be reflashed and the entire roof subject to a coating restoration. But in general, this is a great roof. With a complete repair and restoration at this time, this roof will provide another 20 years of reliable service.